Hey guys, in this video I'm actually going to be redoing question 11 of the September LeetCode Challenge, Maximum Product Subarray. I did it the first time 2 days ago when it was the question of the day, but the music that I had in the background of the video triggered some sort of copyright violation in my country of Canada. So I'm just going to redo it again with different music so that it can hopefully stay on YouTube. Alright, let's go. It's just a modified version of Kadane's algorithm, if you know what that is. It's going to do it in O of N.
And we can all groove with it.
It should work. As long as I didn't make any mistakes. Come on, buddy. LeetCode, hello? What's going on? Well, this is awkward.
And we can all groove with it.
Something internal, probably. Alright, there we go.